Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're tackling a quick but sometimes tricky task, disconnecting your sprayer hose from a Delta faucet. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. Delta faucets use two main methods for connecting sprayer hoses, quick connect and clip-on. We'll walk you through both methods, so you can identify which one you have and disconnect the hose safely. Turn off the water supply to your faucet. Locate the shut-off valve under the sink or behind the faucet itself. Turn the handle until it stops completely. Open the faucet handle to release any pressure in the line. Quick connect. This is a plastic fitting with ridges on the sides. You won't see a separate clip. Clip-on. This method uses a metal clip that secures the hose to the fitting. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about disconnecting your Delta sprayer hose, leave a comment below. Happy plumbing!